Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Karen by Design and thank you so much for tuning in for another video, guys. So as you can tell by the title, yet again, I am going to be talking about one of my favorite topics. Yes, you guys should know because I have filmed a video on this before, and that is drum roll. It's shoes, guys. Yay! So I'm actually in the process of doing spring cleaning. As you guys know, spring is right around the corner, literally right around the corner. So, and it's starting to feel it. You can feel the spring in the air, guys. If you guys participate in daylight saving, Sunday was daylight saving, so we're even starting to get the longer days going with the nice extended sunlight, which I always love. So, in an effort to kind of prepare myself for spring and make sure that my wardrobe is working for me and I am not working for my wardrobe, I figured, you know what, let me go ahead and, put away some of those big clunky boots and bring out some of my spring summer shoes. Now, in doing so, I realized that I had quite a bit of shoes that either I've never worn or I've only worn a handful of times, and I wasn't sure about them. So this video is focusing on solely those shoes. It's not the shoes that I absolutely love that I know I'm gonna keep and I'm gonna get tons of wears out of. No, those will stay in the closet and I will continue to enjoy them. These shoes, again, are shoes that I've either never worn before or shoes that have only been worn 2 times at the most. Now, I don't think any of these shoes are like recent purchases. These shoes legitimately are, I would say, at least 1 year old, at least. Some of them are very old. Like, I think I have one that I purchased maybe 7 years ago that have never been worn. Now, keep in mind, for those that don't know, that are new to this channel, I moved just over a year ago from one major city to another, and in about late 2019, early 2020, I did do a huge, massive, purging of my shoes, but I still managed to take too many, I think, shoes with me here. And I think I took about 130 shoes. I think that was my final count, with me, plus the shoes that I bought between 2020 and 2021, which hasn't been excessive, but still, I think I have too many shoes. They're a little bit overwhelming, so I need you guys to help me decide what I should keep, what I should put into a maybe pile, and what I can definitely be rid of. Before I get into that video, I do want to actually preface this video by saying I am kind of on a journey. I am on a journey. I did a video on a minimalistic wardrobe, how to start one, and all of that, because I'm at a stage in my life where I don't feel like I need to be keeping up with the Joneses. I don't want to be buying things for the sake of trends or to have them sitting in my closet. I was younger, I did that, and I just don't want to continue on that path. So I am kind of purging a lot of stuff. My outfit today, I am going to give you guys an OOTD as well, because in purging my shoes or going through my shoes, I'm also going through my closet as well. And I'm finding the same thing with my wardrobe. This dress, it's about 4 years old. It's from Zara, and I've never worn it. I've made numerous attempts to wear it, but I've never worn it. So I don't know if I'm going to be filming a similar video like the one I'm filming today on my clothes. We shall see. But I am kind of starting to want to just get rid of stuff, like out with these things that serve no purpose to me, that are just collecting dust. So now, that being said, guys, let's get into this video. Guys, I really like these ones, but I'm not sure. Let me know. These ones are so comfortable, I think I might have to throw them in the keep pile. Now, these ones are brand new. They've never been worn outside of the house, and they're extremely uncomfortable. They gotta go. Now these ones are brand new as well. And they're very comfortable, but they look kind of cheap, so I think they gotta go. Now I've worn these once, but I don't have any other navy sandals, so I think I'm gonna keep these ones. Now these were purchased specifically for a 70s themed party, and they've only been worn once inside the house, but I'm kind of liking them, guys, I'm not gonna lie. Now these ones, I've only worn them once, but they are special occasions shoes, so that's fine. I'm gonna keep these ones. On to the flats. Now I have these in a number of colors, so it's just a matter of which ones do I keep and which one do I say bye-bye to. Okay, so unlike the heeled versions to these ones are very comfortable. Plus, I don't have any other red flat shoes, so I'm keeping these. Now, I've worn these ones twice and I'm really conflicted. There's a long story behind it, but let me know what you guys think. Keep or toss? Now, I've never worn these before, but I definitely know that I'm keeping them. These were one of the two that I knew that I would be keeping. They're not the most practical color, but they will remain. Okay, so these are a bonus pair. They are closed-toed flats, and I'm undecided. Let me know what you guys think. Now, these ones are completely brand new, never been worn, but I've had them for about 8 years. I think they gotta go. So I featured these ones in a styling video. They are completely brand new, never been worn. I've had them for about 4 years. I'm undecided. Now these ones were purchased in 2011 and I have another shoe this color, so I think I can let them go. Now these ones are completely brand new, but they are velvet pumps and I'm keeping them. They were a gift, so I have to wear them at least once. These ones I'm keeping. I've worn them only once, but I'm keeping them. Now, these ones were an impulsive buy, so I'm a little bit disappointed in myself. They've been worn one time, so I'm really undecided. What do you guys think? Now, these ones I'm 100% keeping. They're extremely comfortable. I purchased them because I thought they would be my wedding shoes. They are, I believe, the most expensive shoes in my shoe collection. I know that they won't be my wedding shoes, but I still love them. Keeping. Okay, guys, so you saw all the shoes. I want to know your thoughts. Let me know what you think. Let me know if there's any that you think I should absolutely keep, or if there's some that you think that I should absolutely just do away with, either donate or give away, whatever the case may be, sell. You let me know your thoughts. I will definitely take everybody's thoughts and opinions under consideration. Like I said, I definitely know that there are two shoes. I don't know if I said that in the beginning, but there's definitely two that I know for sure will remain in the collection, for sure, for sure, for sure. Everything else is, is a toss-up. We shall see. Now let me know also if you want to see the sneaker version to this video, because I do have a good collection of sneakers. I'm getting a little bit old, dare I say it, so my knees aren't cut out for all of these high heels at any given time. So I do love most of my sneakers, and I found that in the last, maybe I would say 5 years or so, I definitely have been gravitating towards my sneakers. So there probably won't be as many, but nonetheless I still think that I need to purge some, or even maybe replace some. Like my white sneakers, I always love to have fresh white kicks for the spring and summer. Now, I didn't mention these shoes all range, not that it matters, well, in the event that I do decide to sell or give them away. All of these shoes range from a size 5 to a 6.5. The average is maybe about a size 6, but they have ranged from a size 5 being the smallest to a 6.5. I guess Canadian US size. So yeah, that's it, guys. Let me know your thoughts once again. Let me know if you want to see the sneaker version. Also, let me know if you want to see the clothing version, because I'm thinking about filming that as well. And as always, guys, make sure like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye.